Model, 2014 Isuzu D-Max 2.54x4 double cab needs head gasket, still drives great, no VAT. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 131942. MOT, the 19th of March 2025. Engine, 2499 cc 4JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.